Hey guys, I hope everyone is having a wonderful afternoon. Here to tell you a little bit about a product. It's for damaged hair. It is Moroccanoil Treatment. It's for all hair types, but the reason that I got this is because I was looking for something. I have like really damaged split ends, and I was looking for something to kind of help with that. And I read really good reviews online about Moroccanoil, so I was really interested in trying it out and seeing if I would like it. So I got a little sample size. It's the 0.34 ounce, 10 milliliter little glass jar here. So this is just the sample size, just to try it out, see if I like it. That's what I love to do, just try things out and see if I like it before purchasing. So just a little bit about the product description. Use Moroccanoil to keep hair, skin, and entire body nourished and young. With the light formulation, the argan-infused hair oil is versatile and provides a long-lasting hold without losing volume and being stiff or sticky. You can also put an end to your stretch marks with this antioxidant oil, which is very interesting because I know, I don't have kids yet, but I know that when you're pregnant, it can lead to stretch marks. A lot of people use cocoa butter, but this is a great choice of something you could use as well, because who wants stretch marks? For those looking to treat dull, lifeless looking hair, like me in my case, this hair oil is a must-have. A few drops of oil rubbed between the palm of your hands and then smooth over the hair helps to tame flyaway hair immediately. With the help of this hair oil, you can also improve the elasticity of your hair, which I like because I know it's terrible, but I wash my hair a lot because it gets greasy easily. And I went and got a haircut recently, and the hairdresser was telling me that she's like, you keep snapping your hair because you keep getting a trim, and then it's like you're using blow dryer and flattening iron over it, and what you're doing is snapping and damaging your hair. And I was like, oh my gosh, I really need to do something to help. So she actually recommended this to me. She's like, either do a deep conditioner a couple times a week or try this. So I was like, why not? So the indications, it's for healthy, smooth, and striking shiny hair. You just apply a small amount through clean, damp hair. Apply from root to tip before blow drying or styling. Moroccanoil Original Argan Oil Treatment, it's for all hair types. Silky, shiny, and healthy hair you've always wanted. Moroccanoil Treatment is the product that pioneered oil-infused hair care and created the worldwide buzz on argan oil. The original foundation for hairstyling, Moroccanoil Treatment can be used as a conditioning, styling, and finishing tool. Infused with antioxidant-rich argan oil and shine-boosting vitamins, this completely transformative hair treatment detangles, speeds up drying time, and boosts shine, leaving you with nourished, manageable, and smooth hair with each use. Outshine the rest. How to use. Apply 1 to 2 pumps of Moroccanoil Treatment to clean towel-dried hair from mid-length to ends. Blow dry or let dry naturally. Apply on dry hair to tame flyaways, condition split ends, and smooth hair. Tip: mix a few drops of Moroccanoil Treatment with Moroccanoil Intense Hydrating Mask, Weightless Hydrating Mask, or Restorative Hair Mask for added nourishment. On the back here, it says to use, apply a small amount throughout damp hair. Damp or dry hairstyle as usual. Warning: use product only as directed. Avoid contact with eyes for external use only. Ingredients: glycomethicone, simethicone, argania spinosa, argan kernel oil, perfume, fragrance, linum, eustachium, linseed seed extracts, red 17, yellow 11, MOT 01. Website is Moroccanoil.com. There's the number you could call for more information. Distributed by Moroccanoil Incorporated, Los Angeles, California. Moroccanoil Canada Incorporated in Montreal, Quebec. Registered trademark. And it's recyclable, of course, because this is glass. And for the sample, and I'm looking right now to see the regular size. Oh, so the regular size is going to be 25 milliliters, guys. And it is alcohol free, by the way. And the regular one does have a screw top like this, like a top that screws off. So super easy. Just smells so good. Smells delicious, by the way. Just want to see you guys to see the consistency. It's like literally the consistency of honey. And this is so nice. I don't know about you guys, but I get flyaways in my hair often, especially if it's like your hair gets staticky almost, especially if it's like a humid day, or I don't know, depending what the air temperature is, it could be worse or better. But this is great to put on those flyaways and to tame them down just like the instructions say. And it's not greasy feeling. It's the consistency of honey without being sticky. Smells wonderful, but not being too potent, and I'm really happy with it. And I'm glad knowing that it works for stretch marks too, because in the future that's something that I'm going to, you know, have to get something for stretch marks, and it probably is more natural than most of the products on the market these days. So I hope you guys will try out Moroccanoil, and I hope you found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching my video. See you later, guys.